job to do is mark some various points around the car where the two shells join. This is so when I take the shell back off, I do all the prep work, and it goes back on, I know it's in exactly the same place. Another thing to do now is to mark out where I'm going to cut the access for the windscreen wiper motor. The motor on the Peugeot is very much different location to the Subaru. Arches and turrets have the most attention. I've also done a little bit more on the firewall as well. The Subaru sills are double skinned, so I'm just going to weld them together so that they wrap around when the car's moving. As I was tacking the sills together last night, the wire speed on the welder stopped working. I was going to tack the shell together, but now plans have changed, so I'm going to cut the front and the rear off the car. I've relocated the support on the back, so I've taken the tow bar off. So next thing to do is to mark it up and cut the back off. The offside arch is a little further back because it had the filler neck in it. So I'm going to have to make a measurement from the front of the wheel arch back so it's even left and right. chopped. Now the welder's fixed, I can finally put the shell in place. Just cleaned up and put some primer in the sills where there's some rust forming. Sat down, I need to check the alignment marks and make sure they're all still correct. The next job to do is strap the car back down so it's all held in place, ready for welding. Before we go ahead and tack it together, I'm going to recheck my reference point. That's just to know if it has bowed while I've been working on it, so I'll do that now. It should be 24.5 millimeters. So it's 24.75, so I'm pretty happy with that. Now I've tacked 3 points either side, I can take the straps off and check if the alignment is still correct. There's a lot of flex in the shell when I put it on the chassis, so I'm just going to test the doors and the windscreen to make sure they fit. cleaned up around the top mounts on both sides. The reason for taking the original strengthening plate off is I'm going to put a thicker one on that covers more of the top, thicker steel, and it will be joined to the plating for the roll cage. So I'm going to get all the seam sealer out of the join here because it will be stitch welded.